当全台湾向世界推广美食和人情味的时候，我觉得你们最强大的东西其实是台湾的山。
Like us on Facebook if you haven't, and don't forget to subscribe for more new videos.
Most Taiwanese don't know much about my hometown, Colombia. Most common question I get is our coffee. Colombian coffee is a word that three. Taiwan doesn't have a lot of Colombians because two countries don't have close diplomatic relationship. Before I came, the only impression I have about Taiwan was your technology. However, after being here for 8 months, I realized Taiwan's greatest asset is its mountains. I'm very happy and surprised to find that Colombia and Taiwan are quite similar. We share similar forests, mountains, weather, and Colombia is a great country for bird watching too. Some people question why I love mountains in Taiwan, since they are not high enough. But as a trekking guy from Aconcagua, I'm telling you, altitude is just a number. Landscapes are natural gifts that cultivate appreciation and gratitude. Hiking has been the best thing I experienced in Taiwan. I wish the world could see what I saw. Food can be digested, real human interest can be remembered, but a trip to a mountain leads to a deeper self-discovery. Yo soy Julián y es tiempo de volver a casa, pero volveré para escalar Yushan.
So, what is the best hiking trail that you know? Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like us on Facebook for absolutely nothing. And subscribe!